Hello everyone, welcome to AU Diggers on YouTube. Today I'm going to check out a spot that I'm hoping to make a claim on. I know there used to be a claim there, but I just don't know if the gold's going to be any good there. If there is going to be gold, it's going to be small gold, nothing really all that big. I'm in an area where there's actually a hydro plant down the way here, and so the utility district, this is their property. They have gates here that they normally keep locked. For some reason they're open today, although I did see 2 vehicles go down there just a little bit ago. But as you can see by the sign, I don't know if you can read that from here, it says no unauthorized vehicles beyond this point. So I'm not going to drive my vehicle down there because I don't want them to lock me in. So I'm going to go ahead and make the long hike down. I brought hiking poles because, as you can tell by how steep this is going to get, at some points it gets even steeper than this, so it's going to be a long hike out. And I know I'll get tired, so I brought some hiking poles just for that reason. So today I'm just going to test pan, see if I want to make a claim at this spot, and if it turns out to be a good spot, then I'll go ahead and try to file a claim on it. So I'm going to go ahead and start working my way on down here. We'll get down there, we'll do some test pans, see if there's any gold. If there is any, I think it's going to be small stuff. I don't think there's going to be anything really big. Just because of where I'm at. But if I can find any gold, then maybe I'll make a claim. And so we'll go ahead and check it on out. And as you can see, this is going to be a long hike down, and it's going to be steep coming back out. So, but at least it's paved, so I mean that's always a good thing. All right, we'll talk to you when we get down there, and hopefully we can find some gold. Hello everyone, I'm back. I finally made it down to the river. It only took me, how long did it take me? Oh, about 45 minutes to get down here. So that was a long walk, but I'm finally down here. As you can see, the water's still pretty high. Hasn't gotten down yet, too far yet, but I'm gonna try to do a little test panning, just kind of hit a few spots here or there along the way. Might even try right here real quick and see if that turns out. But I'll try to walk up a little bit further, do a little more test panning, and we'll just kind of see. Honestly, looking at the geology around here, I see a lot of granite. Not much for slate, not much for quartz, not much for anything else. So I'm not too positive about this. I think whoever had this claim before may not have been a very good claim. Granted, they got locked out of it, so they eventually had to give it up, but I'm wondering how much they even came down here, considering the geology. But you never know, there might be something further upriver where the geology changes. Hopefully something from there on down to here, there was something that might throw some gold down. So we'll give it a shot and see. Anyways, we'll get to it and see how it turns out. Hello everyone. All right, so I don't know if you can hear me over the water, so I'll try to talk a little louder. But I came in, I tried a few test pans along the way, just tried busting into this crack of this rock here. I don't know if you can see. I was down over there, right down in there, trying to bust that open and see if I could get any gold out of that. Nothing. Every test pan I did, which I did about, I want to say 7 or 8, nothing, not even one speck. So I'm really disappointed in this area. Like I was saying, I don't even see any quartz. I mean, it's mostly just granite and granite. I mean, it looks great. I mean, it looks beautiful down here. The water looks awesome. Honestly, if I had swim trunks, I'd probably go swimming. But, so I'm gonna go ahead, pack on up, go over to the shooting range, take off some rounds, put some shots down range, and try out my new gong targets. I bought some new ones, so I want to try those on out. So I'm going to pack on up and get on out of here, get my protein bar, some water, and let's call it a day. All right. Well, unfortunately, that's what happens when you go out prospecting in an area you don't know for sure. Sometimes you find something, sometimes you don't. Today, a whole lot of nothing. Oh well. Okay, made it back to my truck. Just turned it on. I got the AC running because I'm sweating like crazy. And as I mentioned, see, they saw me walking down there, so when they came back out, they locked it up. So good thing I didn't park down there. But like I said, unfortunately, didn't find anything down there. Not even one single speck. So, and that was one heck of a long hike out. I'm tired. So I'm off to go shooting. Do a couple rounds. Well, let's see when I get there. Let's see how tired I am by then. I got the AC running, so I'm gonna go do that. So I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching, even though I really didn't show anything on this one and I didn't find nothing. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye. I'm at the range, got everything all loaded up, filled my magazines, did all that kind of stuff. Got my safety gear on. So I just bought these and this, and I just put this together last night. Drilled the holes and everything so I could bolt through it and stuff. So, but I got these from AR 500 Target Solutions, which here's the logo on the back. I gotta say they're pretty nice. I kind of don't know if I want to shoot them. They're all nice and pretty. Just kidding. But anyway, so they've got them powder coated. They look very nice. It's 500 AR 500 steel. So I'm going to go ahead and take some shots of these. And then also I set up some targets over here using someone else's junk. Unfortunately, as you can see around here, people tend to come out and they don't clean up after themselves, unfortunately. Which is one of the reasons why I went with this idea, because this I take home every time. I don't have to, I'm not making a mess, and you know, I don't have to keep buying stuff. It's just, once I got it, I got it. All I gotta do is repaint it. So anyways, so let's go ahead and put some rounds down range. I'm gonna go ahead and put my first rounds into the gongs. I'm gonna probably start with the easy one first and then go to that one. I don't know about those two yet, but I'll start at about, we'll start at the 10-yard lines. We'll make it easy. But this will be the first time I ever shoot these. I want you to witness me actually putting a mark in one of those. So here we go. Okay, so from 10 yards, I was able to hit all 4 of them. Looks like I barely got the 3-inch target right at the bottom, about an inch, half an inch from the bottom to an inch from the bottom. So there you go. First time putting marks in any of those. Now I got to get it cleaned up again somehow. Yeah, right.